there, little brainiacs. Welcome to Kool Kreative Mingle. Don't miss out. Subscribe now and join our community. Let's dive in. Today's story topic is the Twilight Dance of the Giraffes.
The moon hung low in the sky, a pale orb casting an eerie glow over the abandoned zoo. Long overgrown and forgotten, the zoo was a relic of the past, its gates rusted and creaking in the wind. But beneath the oppressive silence, something unnerving stirred. Among the twisted shadows of the enclosures, the giraffes roamed. Once majestic and graceful, they moved with a rigid wave, limbs jerking in unnatural spasms. They were the zoo's last residents, and though their hearts no longer beat and their eyes no longer blinked, they seemed driven by a mysterious impulse. The caretaker, Edgar, was oblivious to the supernatural happenings unfolding in his backyard. An old man with a hunched back and a weathered gaze, he lived in a small cottage outside the boundaries of the zoo. Having once been the head zookeeper, Edgar couldn't bear to leave the place to ruin. It was on one such routine visit that Edgar noticed the changes in the giraffes. At first, he thought he had imagined it, a hungry mind playing tricks, conjuring ghosts of the past. But each week, the evidence became more tangible. The giraffes moved with a disturbing semblance of life. Troubled by what he had seen, Edgar delved into the history of the zoo, taking comfort in the dim light of his study, surrounded by old logs, photos, and memorabilia from the zoo's vibrant past. It was here, after days of poring over faded scripts, that he found mention of the serum. The serum was a rumored elixir developed by a long-forgotten scientist who had dabbled in the arcane. Meant to preserve life, it instead created something else, simulated vitality. The giraffes had been the first, and the experiment had ended before it began, the scientist disappearing mysteriously. With this revelation, Edgar faced a choice. As he pored over the documents, the reality sank in. These giraffes, symbols of both beauty and science gone wrong, deserved peace. Could he return them to the stillness they were meant to have? But another part of him was intrigued by the phenomena. As Edgar stood at the gates once more, he felt the weight of history bearing down upon him. The giraffes moved in their eerie parade, necks swaying gently, eyes locked in eternal vigilance. He decided to not make a decision right away, but instead observe them further and look for answers. For who preferred extinction over an unending twilight dance of the giraffes? In their odd existence, they exuded a strange sense of joy, a fantastical allure that hinted at second chances and new beginnings. Perhaps, just perhaps, they were exactly where they were supposed to be.
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay updated on all my latest videos. Thanks for being part of our community.